We will become more precise, more disciplined, and more deliberate in our work. We will learn, refine, and improve. But we will not retreat. I assumed this position at a time of its intense public scrutiny, in the wake of what many now regard as the largest corruption scandal in Philippine history. The flood control scandal, of course. What has been uncovered in recent months has shaken the public to its core. Filipinos are not simply disappointed. They are angry. They are outraged by how deep corruption runs and by how systemic the scheme appears to have been. Billions and billions of pesos were siphoned through organized and deliberate acts. These were not isolated lapses or one-off abuses. They were repeated decisions